Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable prefer horizontal text on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, this is all going to work the same. So if you are doing this, for example, on the iPhone 14, 15, it is all going to look the same as I'm doing this on the iPhone 12. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility, then you want to go to the display and text size. Once you are here, you are going to find the option prefer horizontal text. So to turn on this feature, just click on the button to make it appear green. Now it means that the feature is on. To turn it off, just tap on the button, the same. Now it means that the feature is off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.